Hey folks, how you doing? In this tip video, I'd like to share some tips on working with these social icons in your social icon bar. One of the tips I'd like to share actually is just make sure you are resizing your browser as you build your website up and add either more text links or more icons to make sure that they don't run into each other. Because you can also remove the follow us on and give yourself a little bit more room, but there is a certain width at which the icons and the text links will collapse, which is great. And we just need to make sure that you don't add so many links and so many icons that it doesn't collapse early enough. And sort of the best way to determine that is the width at which things collapse would be about 992 pixels wide. So if you have more icons and more text links than 992 pixels, you're going to find they may sort of bash into each other. And that's where I'd suggest you maybe get rid of the follow us on and just run with the icons and the links, or use fewer characters in your links. Some people like to have 3 or 4 words per menu button name. That could be reduced down to 1 or 2 words if you need to do that. But let's jump right in, shall we? Let's jump into Expression Web and the library and the shared and the social icons.html page. Now I'm going to ask you for this one to switch over to code view right here. Now if you need to get rid of that follow us on, just select this entire span class right here and delete it. Boom, gone. Now for the rest of the page, the rest of the icons, they're right here. They're just bullet list icons, and we use the Font Awesome icon to update it. Now I have other tutorials on working with Font Awesome icons, so I'm going to provide a link at the bottom of this video for that to go through, because we use Font Awesome icons quite a bit throughout the site. But this is where you would make your changes. If you want to change Facebook, there's the name there, Twitter, Google+, and if you want to add or remove links, to remove, just simply select the entire LI tag, like I just click over here for the one I don't want. Let's say I need to get rid of the Twitter. I just select right over here in the bar, hit the backspace. If I need to add more, I sort of do the opposite. I'd click over here, but this time I would copy an existing link, and then I just sort of put my cursor so it's wherever I want it to go, maybe right about here, and paste it. So now I've got a duplicate of the Twitter. Then I just go and update the name and the link to my icon right here. So basically you put your entire account link, so whatever link you would send to your friend in email to go to your Facebook page, this is where you would paste that link right here. And the same for the rest of the social icons.